Hey guys, so I changed my backdrop, but it's not perfect. It looks better higher, so I'm probably gonna lower it. I don't know, whatever. Elizabeth is dropping anything heavy that I give her. You dropped it! Why are you upset? Children. Anyways, I think I want to do my hair like a silver color, and it's pretty light blonde, obviously not the roots, but this is my hair dye kit that has all of the hair dye colors that I have not finished. So this one is a Chromasilk Vivid in the color silver. And I have quite a bit of it left, and these are obviously the ones, like, I do have one of these, but most of these are just completely, like, they're toners, or they're just things you can, okay, I have gloves. Anyways, the point is, I would like to do my hair silver, and I'm curious if it will make this blonde any more silver, if it'll darken it. I'm just kind of curious. So, oh, Pravana, that's the, I knew that this was like a semi, like, well-known brand. Whatever. Okay, so Chromasilk of Pravana Vivid. So I'm going to figure out the directions on this and apply it, and let's commence a little bit of fun here. Okay, so the directions stay, and let me tell you, from reading about this, this color is not supposed to come out. Like, even with color remover, this doesn't come out. So if you decide to use Pravana Chromasilk Vivid, just be aware that apparently it's not really all that removable. They said even color remover will lighten it to the point where you can dye over it in a natural darker color. Again, I've never tried it, so I'm just telling you what it said on the internet, and the internet does not lie. But anyways, most of the time when I try these, it always says in any Vivid color that they are semi-permanent. It never says they're permanent. And it always says, like, that they'll wash out and whatever. So this is the first one that has ever really said, like, it's staying in. Oh, guys. This is, like, dark. Okay, let me look. Ooh, I'm actually second guessing this because I thought it was just gonna be like, all right, we're doing this. We're doing this. We are committed. Or maybe we should be committed. I don't know, one of those. One of those is the case. Okay, so let's do this. You know what? We said we were gonna do it, and now we're gonna do it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. That, my friends, is not silver. That is purple. That is dark. That is grape. All right, so I'm putting it everywhere because it is not going to do anything to the lighter portions of my, or the darker portions of my hair, because that's just not how it works. And of course, this does not get mixed with anything. You just put this right on. So I am putting it everywhere. So let's see if we end up with silver hair. I know, I'm not doing this in any sort of a methodical... Ooh, it smells like a men's cologne. Husband's gonna be like, what were you doing today? Dyeing my hair, dear. Wasn't hanging out with any fellas. Okay, let's take a peek. It looks like it might actually be, you know, like it might make it a real, like, grayish silver. So we're gonna see if this, like, darkens me a bit. You know, I'm gonna be honest with you, I have pretty fine hair and it's pretty short, but I did not at all contemplate that I might need another container of this because I only have one. So hopefully I can get this on all of my hairs. Because, like I said, ooh, and I'm just making a mess. I don't have any extra. Because I'm used to usually not needing much because my hair is so fine and short. But it would figure if I did this and then realized that I didn't have enough. and it was like mid-dye. That would suck. Oh, this really does smell wonderful. It smells like a really great cologne. You know, typically hair dye doesn't smell all that good. Okay, I know, Elizabeth, you are not digging this. I'm trying to be quick. Okay, so I read, and it says you're only supposed to leave this in for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, good news. I do have enough. Okay. Of course, it tells you to like rinse with their color shampoo and all that stuff, which I do not have. So I'm just gonna. Oh, it looks bluish. Oh, I'm curious. I wouldn't mind some blue. Wasn't what I was going for, but really find out how my new job feels about colored hair. Huh. Sorry. You know. So, interestingly, this is not quite the silver I was expecting. So, as we thought, it did cover the like platinum, really light blonde portions. The other ones did just kind of stay, so I still have sort of that other like brown color mixed in here. And my roots, of course, stayed dark. But this is definitely bluer than I thought it was gonna go. I really thought I was gonna get like a platinum-y silver. And if you look at the swatch, I'll try to insert a picture of that. It really does give the impression that it would be lighter. So I did leave it in for 25 minutes, so it said 20 to 30. And I will say that some of the good things about it, obviously it gives you vivid dark color, but it was easy to mix in because it was a very thick consistency, so it didn't like drip anywhere else or really get anywhere else. It was kind of easy to control because it was so thick. So I'm curious as to how this wears. You guys know that I don't post these videos immediately after I make them. I will give you an update as to how it washed with Color Safe shampoo as far as how it faded. Because if it goes silver or a lighter blue, that will be fine. My fear with everything is just I don't want it to go green if that's not my intention. I've had green, I think, 3 times unintentionally, so now I just don't want ever green hair, even though it can be cute on people when they want that, but that's not what I want, and I've just had it unintentionally, so I don't want it again, so I'm a little nervous. Hey guys, I just wanted to check in. I just washed it for the first time since dyeing it. I tried to wait a couple days. I used a Color Safe shampoo, and it has definitely faded a bit. Like when I was sudsing up, I saw it, and I was like, no, because I know I was a little hesitant about this color originally, but I actually really like it. So it has definitely faded. I would not say that it's silver. I would say that it's like gray. Like a grayish blue, but I really like it. So, yeah, I'm happy, and here it is after one wash. So I know in my experience, typically the like blues have a lot more staying power in my experience than the like pinks and purples and peaches. So this one is living by that, because I would say after one wash, a lot of times the dye, you know, the unnatural hair colors really washed out substantially, and this one really hasn't. So I really do like it. So thanks so much, guys.